Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. About 7s, we can separate them into s and 6s because I want to create about the factorization. This one we can do about factorization by s. This one we can do about factorization by number 6. So we have s plus 1, s plus 1. We can do another factorization. Now we can simplify 1 plus s on numerator and denominator. Next, I will add s in here. Later that we need to minus about s. So this one divided by this one and s divided by s. So we have about 1 over s minus 1 over s plus 6. And we got the final answer. And that should be like this. This is the end. Thank you for watching.